In this problem, we want to learn how to graph this linear function. I think this is a very basic fundamental concept that will help you understand the linear regression equation that you will study in this chapter 10. So let's graph that. Let's click here. And the equation that we have here is y equals negative 5 over 6x plus 4. So that's the equation that we have. To graph a straight line, basically you just need 2 points. So I would suggest you find two points. The first point that I would like to find is how about pick a point that when x is 0, you can find what y value is, right? So when x is 0, obviously when x is 0, this whole term will be 0 because 0 times negative 5 6 is 0 and you're left with 4. So for that reason, when x is 0, y is 4. And then you can pick another point that's well, you have your freedom to pick whatever points you have. You can pick x being 1, or you can pick x being 2, and so on and so forth. But the value I would recommend will be 6. How about pick a value 6? And it's nice because when x is 6, y is going to be equal to negative 5 over 6 times 6 plus 4. And this 6 and 6 gets cancelled. You're left with negative 5 plus 4, which is just negative 1. So with these 2 points, let's plot those 2 points. When x is 0, y is 5, y is 4. So this is my first point. And you can use, I think, let me see. I'm gonna try to plot these points. Oops. I'm gonna delete one. So this is the points that I would like to plot. Okay, right there. And then I can use this line 2 to draw. Actually, I need to pick another point first, right? So I'm gonna pick another point. Oops, where's my first point? Maybe I'll try to. This is my first point. Oh yes, I don't really need. And the second point is 6 and negative 1. So 6 and negative 1, which is right here. So this is my graph, and you can double check. When this is 6, this is negative 1. So this is the second point. And when x is 0, this is y. So this is my first point. So this is it. So that's the graph that I would draw for this particular problem.